your girl Era, and I am back with another video. So today I got my first PR box from this company. I'm not gonna chop their name, but I'll put a little thing right here to show what the company name is. But I am about to open the box, so let's get right into the video. Hey guys, so my mic was not on for like the first couple clip-its, but they're telling me that I'm going to be affiliate and they're gonna send me some stuff, so stay tuned. And they sent me like this stuff showing what the company has and how they use things and all that great stuff on these little pamphlets. So yeah, I'm very excited. Oh my god, look at the packaging, you guys. Look at this, so pretty. Okay, let's peel the sticker off and see what they said to me. Okay, so the first thing I get in the box is this. Ooh, it's a mud mask. It is a natural Dead Sea mud mask. Look right there. I can see it's that. Oh my god, we're gonna try this out. We're gonna put this in the video, like a skincare video. See, we're gonna test that out, see how that feels. And then they sent me this facial cream. Oh my god, it's called Rejuvenating Facial Cream, and it is 2 fluid ounces right there. And then they sent me, oh my god, they sent me a lipstick. Did they send me a lipstick? Oh my god, they sent me this lipstick, and I think it's number 25, and it's this red color. Oh my god, it's so pretty, yes. And what else did they send me? Oh, they sent me, oh, this broke. Oh, this is like highlighter. I think this is highlighter. So this is Naked Glow highlighter right here. It's highlighter in this little package. And here go another one. This color is in copper. You can see it's in copper. And then this last thing is in Savannah. This color. Oh my god, they're so pretty too. And yeah, I think that's it. So I got a facial cream, a mud mask, a lipstick, and then 3 loose highlighters. That's all I got in the PR package. Okay, you guys, so this is the end of the video. Make sure you leave me a big thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below what you want to see in my next video, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!
A few moments later.
I'm going to be trying this Deluvia, I don't know how to pronounce the company's name, but Deluvia face mask, mud face mask, and I will be putting the cream on my face. And yeah, we're gonna try this out. Make sure you leave a like down below and comment down below some new videos that y'all want me to do. And yeah, let's get right into the video. Okay, you guys, so this right here is the natural deep sea mud mask with Moroccan honey. So I'm gonna put this on my face, and they said to put a dime size amount on your face. And yes, I do have a discount code with them. I'll have it right down here so y'all can see my discount code, and I'll leave it right there. Okay you guys, so I have a wet face, so now I'm just going to apply a dime size amount. I don't know what a dime size amount looks like, but I'm gonna apply. Oh, ew. Look at this. It's like a slippery brown type of thing, and it said apply a dime size amount to your face. So I'm gonna apply. Oh, it's really muddy, I guess. You should apply a dime size amount to your face and spread it. That's what I'm gonna do. Oh yeah, it's a lot. That's a lot. So I'm just gonna apply this all over my face. It smells really weird, and it has like a weird texture. and it's like watery and then it's like muddy at the same time, so it's like very weird. So like it's like this type of texture, if you can see, like it's very weird. Oh, and it smells like, you know how like you get your hair washed, it's